In the heart of India, we started an extraordinary journey and created a product that became a game changer for the manufacturing industry.
A product that defied stereotypes and made a mark, not just in India, but globally.
Meet Costed Right, where technology meets adaptability.
We built a platform that automates, centralizes, and standardizes costing data and delivers actionable business insight.
We started by helping just one client, but now our impact is felt in more than 300 factories.
Producing over 3 billion units per year and saving 2 million man-hours.
And about $100 million for our clients.
With 30 years of experience, we have fine-tuned Costed Right into a powerhouse with over 500 unique features and adding new features every week.
The idea behind Costed Right was simple. One should be able to get to a cost within few minutes.
For us, success is when our clients' businesses see a tangible impact.
Therefore, our approach involves personalization. Instead of businesses adopting to our platform, Costed Right integrates with their processes,
Ensuring our platform aligns perfectly with each client's unique requirements.
Our mission is to help manufacturing industries reach new heights by making costing efficient, accurate, and effortless.
With Costed Right, manufacturing bigwigs like Royal Enfield, Uno Minda, Havels, Godrej, and many more are evolving towards a more profitable future. Costed Right, the future of cost data optimization.